And here, note this here, this is Marifa, Marifa. And this is Nakira. Jawad, you see, Jawad is the name of a particular boy that is also Marifa. For example, my name is Khalilun. Though I have two Damatan, right? Jawadun has two. But since it is a specific name of a child, it is also Marifa. So remember here, Mubtada is always Marifa and Khabar is always Nakir. Both of them are Marfu. Yes.
What if you had a sentence with both being Maruf? What if you had a sentence where you got As-Sama' Zarqa'u?
That will not make a sentence. That will not make. It means, you see, the blue sky. The blue sky doesn't mean that is not a sentence. When you say, isn't the sky is blue, As-Sama'u Zarqa. That is a sentence. But when you say As-Sama'u Az-Zarqa, that is not complete sentence. That is the attribute of Sama. Blue sky. Blue sky is beautiful or attractive, whatever you want to say. That is the information. Khabar is the information about the subject. Yes, Sulaiman. You got it?
Yeah.
Jawad. Are you taking some medicine?
I did.
Which one?
I don't know. My mom did.
Your mom gave. She must have given something nice. Okay. Now, go back to the book again. Next page. Go to the next page. Zaydun, next page. Zaydun sharibun. Zaydun sharibun asiran. Zaydun sharibun asiran. Zaid is going to drink juice. Or Zaid is drinking juice. Going to drink, or he drinks, or drinking, this can be it can be translated in many ways. So Zaidun is Mubtada. Please write down in your book itself. On top of Zaid, write down Zaidun is Mubtada and it is Marifa and it is Marfu'. Three things: Marifa, Mubtada and Marfu'. Mubtada. Why it is called Mubtada? Because the first noun in a sentence is Mubtada. The sentence is beginning with a Mubtada. You are making Ibtada. The bidaya of the sentence is from the noun Zaid. Sharibun is the information. Sharibun is the additional information. Yes, Ibrahim.
What if the Mubtada is Nakira?
Never. In 99% cases,
What about for a sentence like, cars are nice?
Cars are?
Nice, or whatever.
Yeah.
More-
As-sayyara. It has to be as-sayyara.
But then,
Sayyara means car. Cars, sayyarat. they have to start, mubtada must start with al, unless it is a proper noun. For example, your name is Ibrahim, right? We don't say Al Ibrahim. When I say Al Ibrahim, it means Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam, the prophet. Al Khalil, for example. Very rare, you can say 0.001% we use Al with a particular person. As I said yesterday, Al Hussein, Al Hassan. Al Hussein means Hussein bin Ali bin Abi Talib. Otherwise, everybody is Hussein. Al Hussein means we are talking about a particular, only. But usually Al is not used with any proper noun. Alam, which we call it Alam. Ain, Lam, Mim, Alam. So Jawad is Alam. Shahid is Alam. Ibrahim is Alam. Tayyib is Alam. Ismu Alam. Mateen is Alam. Aisha is Alam. Ruqayya is Alam. Amina is Alam. Now, Asir means juice. Asir. Asir is Asir. This is additional information. Zaidun Sharibun sentence is complete. Zaidun Sharibun, Mubtada and Khabar, both are there. So sentence is complete. But now you want to provide some additional information. Additional information is provided, but you see, it has a different era. Instead of Asirun, what you did? You made Asiran. You see? Asiran. Or for example, Zaidun Sharibun Ma'an means Ma'an, water. Zaidun Sharibun Labanan, milk. Okay? So, Zaidun Sharibun Khamran, alcohol. So, here, this was essential information. This was essential information. But we add, for example, here, Asiran or Labanan or Khamran or Ma'an. You see here, Ma'an, Asiran, Labanan, Khamran. They all are mansoob. They are mansoob. This is what I was talking about, Muhammad. There was a scholar in India. His name was Hamiduddin Farahi. Hamiduddin Farahi. He died in 1930. About 90 years ago, he died. He is the first to discover this fact. He is the first in the history to discover the fact that the essential information comes as ism marfu, and additional information comes either as mansub or majrur.
You mean he made all these rules?
No. The language is made by Arabs.
Right.
He discovered, he pointed out. For example, who made America? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made. Who discovered it? Columbus. So Hamiduddin Farahi was like Columbus. He discovered why Arabs are saying, marfu. This is essential information. Essential information. Additional information comes as mansub or majroor. Essential. This is additional information. These two additional. But this is the basic information. Yes, sister.
So Asiran would be
Juice. Yes, Asiran, not khabar.
Not
That is also khabar, but additional khabar or additional information. Khabar is this one, aqilun. You know, jawadun aqilun. But jawadun sharibun. You see, sharibun means drinking. You see? Yes,
So you said that additional information will always be mansoob and majroor,
yes,
never marfu'.
never.
Marfu alone is not enough.
To complete a sentence.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how come they can?
No. You know, Zaidun Sharibun, for example, or your name is Sajid. Sajidun Naim. Sajid is sleep. Sentence is complete. Sajidun Naim.
Yeah,
Sajidun Akilu.
Marfu is not enough alone. It needs something.
If you want to give additional information, where, when, for example, you are sleeping, or you are jalism. Right now you are sitting, right?
Yeah,
Please try to understand his question. Here. Let me write. Sajidun. Sajidun Jalisun. Jalisun means he's jalis. He is sitting. He's in a sit. The sentence is complete. Zaidun is marfu, Jalisun is marfu. Now, where, when, how? You see, for example, you know, we say fi safi. He is sitting in the class. This is additional information. In the class. But here you see we are using majroor. We are using this. Why? Because we use fi. You know? And for example, you want to indicate time, we say al-yawma. Today. Now, Suleiman, let me ask you a question. Here you see these two, 1 and 2. This is what? Basic, essential information. And we said this is additional information. Now, why this is majroor and why this is mansoob? Can you see, can you find out what is
The
happening?
word fi is a harf jar.
Yes. Now, you see here, this one is indirect. And this one is direct. Now, this noun is majroor. This noun is mansoob. Both of these ones are marfu. Marfu'an. Now, what is happening? Essential information in a sentence is provided by marfu nouns. Essential information is provided in a sentence by marfu nouns. Whereas, if a noun is directly added, it must be mansoob. Al-yawma, yawman. You know? And if it comes through a wasta, indirectly, it is majroor.
Can they be interchanged?
Directly, I
Directly is mansub. Indirectly is majroor.
Can this majrur and mansub can be interchanged?
It depends on the music of the sentence.
Huh?
Sometimes you know, al-yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum. Akmaltu lakum deenakum al-yawma. You know how you make beautiful. So where to place, it's an art also.
One more question. Marfu, you have to have two marfu to make a sense, to make some sense.
Sometimes, for example, in a verbal sentence, only fa'il will do. For example, qala Rasulullah, qala Allah, qala Allahu. Qala means said, Allah, Allah said. That's a complete sentence. Because qala is information. Or Allahu qa'ilun. Allahu yaqul. You see, shall I? Let me erase this. Let me explain to you.
One question.
Yes.
You're saying Jaidun is Muqtada and Sharidun is Khabar. Like additional information, Asiran, do you have any name for this derivation?
Mansub, ism mansub.
The Mansub is the...
Let me,
Is
let
also
me,
Khabar.
let
This
me,
also Khabar?
huh?
This also...
No. I will come to you. Let me first, you see, let me make this table in your copy. I will explain to you here. Here write marfu. Marfu. Write here mansub. And this is majroor. Right? Now, in bracket here, write down essential information by nouns. We are talking about only nouns. Remember here, ism is marfu, ism is mansub, ism is majroor. We are talking about nouns only, asma. Now, mansub we said additional information inserted direct